Today's creators design beyond one screen. A single idea must stay consistent across websites, social media, video, photography, packaging, and print, without losing the color and detail that define the work. But when colors shift between screen and output, repeated checks and proofing cycles cost valuable time. Meet the PD2732U. The BenQ Creative Pro brings these workflows together with 4K clarity, 99% Adobe RGB, 99% P3, and full sRGB coverage. AQCOLOR delivers out-of-the-box average delta E of 2 or less, while full-screen uniformity maintains consistent color and brightness from corner to corner. Thunderbolt 4 carries video, data, and up to 90 watts of power through one cable. M-Book mode supports matte color consistency, while daisy chaining expands the workspace with less clutter. A built-in KBM, wireless hotkey puck G3, and display Pilot 2 put essential controls within reach, helping creators stay focused instead of navigating menus. From digital canvas to printed output, the BenQ PD2732U delivers trusted color for every creative workflow and every final deliverable.